Our chief guest of the evening, Salman Khan, our very own big boss, our very own Sultan, our very own Bajrangi Bhaijan. How lovely it is to have you with us today. A very, very warm welcome to you. Please come and join us on stage. Let all of us have our hearts filled just looking at you. A big round of applause for him. A very big round of applause for him. Salman Khan, our chief guest for the evening, please have your seat. You leave all of us speechless even today. What to do? That's the effect that she has on all of us. So after that is the turn for the young lad, as she has known him, to come and speak about her, still his Asha auntie. Salman Khan, over to you. And you can please do it in your inimitable style. Please.
Asha auntie, thank you very much. I don't deserve being here. पसीने छूट रहे मेरे इस वक्त क्या बोलूं? I think it's like the bravest thing for anyone to write their own autobiography. मुझसे तो लाइफ में कभी ना हो. I think Dharamji will understand that. We've known Asha ji since we were kids, all of us, and she's been very dear to us. Paida auntie, we live in the same compound. Helen auntie, my mother, and they've all been so close, which today's girls should understand that. They should. Saira auntie, Shammi auntie, Sadhna auntie, everyone have been really, really close. It's something that you don't see anymore. I think it's like the best quality that that generation had. And we have lost that quality. We become friends again. But they were never not friends since the time they came into, the movie industry, the film industry. They've always been together. Nanda auntie is no more. She's not with us anymore. But Nanda auntie and Vaida auntie were the thickest of friends. I'm really, really pleased that I'm here. And book to kharido. You must buy the book and go buy the book, because this generation has lived the cleanest life possible, professionally and personally. So it will be a book of values, of principles, It will have his highs, it will have his lows, it will have his fun moments, it will have the whole career graph. I think this is something you must read because it will only elevate you as a person. Thank you.
Thank you, Salman Khan, for your very lovely words. And you said that you would not be able to do your autobiography. Itni himmat nahi hai. Thank you, Salman Khan, for your very lovely words. And you said that you would not be able to do your autobiography. Itni himmat nahi hai. See, look at them. You for the book very well. And you spoke. Allah, very nice, very nice.